What's up, YouTube? Ryan with the MXG channel here, and I wanted to throw the cell phone up on a tripod and shoot a quick video answering really important questions, setting the record straight on some stuff. I'm going to try to do this all in one take, but I've got some information from my phone I got to read you guys too, so bear with me here. So first of all, the most commented question, issue, anything that I've gotten from people over the last few months has been the 2023 TBIs. I've heard from a buddy's cousin that they don't run right, or they don't start, they don't idle, they're blowing up bikes, whatever. I'm sure things have probably happened. I just don't know anybody personally who's had any of those issues like that. At our dealership, we haven't seen issues like that. So I don't know. Now, there have been a couple issues where they don't start. We have to swap out the spark plug, or there's a few things that need to be calibrated whenever your dealer gets the bike. It's a little more involved than with the TBI bikes. So first of all, we called KTM last week and we verified there is no recalls, there is no updates at all to the 250-300. Nothing. Now, as of just the last few days, KTM released information. There is an update to the 125 SX and XC. Mainly, it's just an ECU, just a software upgrade. But there is another update they're asking dealers to perform, where they're adding a bracket to the crankshaft speed sensor on the ignition system. So all it does is like stabilize that sensor, because apparently with enough vibration and hits, that thing can move a little bit, and this is supposed to help with that. So this update involves the bracket being retrofitted to the crankshaft speed sensor, a basic adjustment of the throttle body, which should have been carried out in the delivery inspection. They want you to check and carry that out again. The ECU must be updated to the latest software, and the exhaust control actuator must be calibrated again. So, it's installation of a bracket, a couple updates, and a couple calibrations. And these updates are supposed to lead to better rideability and throttle response in both maps. It says the bracket stabilizes the pickup sensor and protects it from engine vibrations and any possible movement. You're going to get better over-rev behavior, better performance, and improved temperature compensation and warm-up period. So that is your update from KTM, guys. So once again, this KTM's wording this as various updates for improved performance. This is not a recall or anything like that, and this is just on the 125 SX and XC. So maybe some of you guys can comment down below and let me know if you know anybody that's had any issues with the 250 or 300s. I've ridden, I don't know, 5 or 6 different, no, more than that, probably 10 or 12 different 250 or 300 TBIs, and I've never experienced any issue with starting, running, performance, anything like that. But, there's always issues that tend to arise after bikes have been out for a little while. I think right now we can all agree our biggest issue is just getting parts for some of these bikes. So, yeah, if you've got a 2023, this is going to be for 2023 and 2024. 125 SXs and XCs. So if you've got a 23, I don't think there shouldn't be any 24s out there yet, but if you've got a 23, get with your dealer, have them perform these updates, and it might help you out some. But no, guys, I have not heard of these issues you guys ask me about or leave comments. And if I do, and KTM addresses any of these, or we find out something's going on, I'll come back here, I'll drop another video, and I'll keep you guys updated. Ryan with the MXG channel. Questions, comments, leave them down below. Tell me your experience with TBI. I'd love to hear it. See you in the next video.